What are you doing? Just got the rental cars here. Looks like we're pushing a Nissan and a Hyundai. Get Jason there. Looking so happy. Oh, is this XM?
No. And they're gonna make you pay for XM.
Really?
I already got the notification. You can add it for $5.99 a day.
Shut up. How do they do that?
Magic.
How's it coming along there, Potek?
Coming along.
As you guys can see, everybody's out here getting set up. I'm sure it's going to be super packed tomorrow. Looks like it's already getting pretty busy. We may throw a banner up real quick.
Trying.
And then
Working zip ties. 2? Well, that's half the battle one. We need 2 zip ties. One more, right? No, this one is one. We need 2 zip ties. Hey! No, the zip ties don't work.
3 out of 4?
I got one. Hey, we're one away. What do we got, guys? One more zip tie. One more zip tie.
3 out of 4 works. We can put the 4th on tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Let's be flapping.
All right, let's go get this thing put up
Look out, guys. Go
before it starts really pouring. We're crossing, guys. We're crossing. All right, let's go get this put up. What do you guys think over here? Should look pretty good next to Scoggin. Full Scoggin Dicky. Woohoo! One banner up. Looks like we need to get something to cut those zip ties off though. Got some crazy lightning over there. Okay, as long as it rains just a little bit today and then it all dies off for tomorrow, we'll be good.
Rain or shine? Rain or shine?
What do you guys think? Looking good back there? It's coming. About time to get in the hotel, get some food. Well, and that was LS Fest for the day. We got all set up. Now it's time for some food. That's TSP style right there. Let's get some food.
Are you recording me?
You sure am. How's it going? Yeah! Double dogs! Look at that. Right in the dog bowl.
Right in the dog bowl.
That's double dogs for you right there. All right, so we just talked to the guys at Holley and they invited us over here to their secret lab where they're doing some dyno work on Cletus's cars. We got Leroy and the Dale truck here. So let's go inside and check it out, see what we can find. The Dale truck, guys. Let's see under that hood. There it is, boys. Texas Speed 427. We're over in Holley's secret shop, so I can't show you a whole lot around. But we got the Dale truck here. We got Leroy over here. We're just doing a little test hits here on Leroy, get the first dynos down. What are you doing? Yeah? What's up, Dale?
Took down some more.
Damn, dude, I was so close though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Dude,
yeah, they're pretty beat up. It pushed one of them just like way up there.
yeah, I didn't put enough angle on the wastegate one, so we hit some new tiles on that one.
We definitely shot one clear over. Yeah, that's what I saw.
There's the exhaust here. Pushing the roof tiles up with the exhaust right there.
But these coils and stuff like that were not cheap.
All right, we just finished up over here at Holley. Cletus is loading up the car, and we're gonna head out to the track, get everything ready. Alright guys, so that was pretty successful. They dynoed Leroy, made 1300 on I believe 26 pounds of boost. So yeah, she's really laying down the cheese for sure. So we're gonna head out, get our car teched. They told us that they're gonna do tech through 7 p.m. tonight, so we're gonna head back out there, get it teched so we don't have to do it in the morning. So yeah, we'll be back out at the track. Caught wind of a late night tech-in session, decided to come back to the track so we could get all that handled today, get all registered and signed in so we wouldn't have to deal with it tomorrow. So here we are, getting it done. Well, we're gonna finish putting the car up. Looks like it got a little rain here on the lens. There we go. So we're gonna finish putting the car up. Now we're actually leaving for the day. Gonna go back to the hotel and hang out a little bit, relax before we come back out here tomorrow. See you guys later.